spending my lunch break meditating and bird watching. Like, been blessed today. A lot of activity in this little shed. Had the mama bird flying in and out, feeding the babies. I think I scared them off for a second, so I just took a step back. But yeah, lovely sunny day. There's a guy there metal detecting, marking out his finds. Hopefully find something really awesome. But yeah, just meditating this afternoon in my lunch break and getting a spot of bird watching. Been blessed today, blessed with nature, blessed with the sun, the bird song. You know, people get depressed. Why? You know, I get depressed anyway, but you just have to listen to the birds, man. They come to cheer us up. That's why they're here. Listen to the birds. But hopefully everyone has a blessed day.